Let us start again with our PHP course. Hey, hi everybody. Today we will write some PHP scripts. Basic PHP script start from angle question mark PHP to question mark angle mark. Okay, this section is called PHP code script. We normally use echo for the output. So as you can see here, we are here to learn. Okay, and this is the way to pass a comment. There's another way to pass multi-line comment. Well, for now I'm just copying the whole script to a new file and I will paste it over there. See, there is no color right now, so we are just going to save it as a PHP file, and we will just check where is that PHP extension. I got it. Let us just save it and just check. First one is .html, second one is .php, home.php. Now what we can do is we will check it on server. In the first one only hello friends is there. So now I'm just going to type home.php, and after writing this home.php you can check that the echo version highlights learn is also visible. Then the first one .html, it was not showing, so we can easily find it that for writing PHP scripts we want any file with having PHP extension where we can write HTML also, but in HTML file we cannot find PHP. Okay, enjoy. Well, you can try some more codes, and you have choices also, so just edit and practice. Definitely you will master yourself as a core PHP. Take care.